Alright, I'm going to demonstrate how to use this extruder right here. Sometimes you'll find it this way, you'll find it this way. I prefer it the other way, but your job is to put clay here and use this to mash it through, okay? And it's going to mash through this opening here, and that's where you're going to put the dies in there. If you look over here, see all these different types of shapes you can get out of it. Today we're going to make a simple circle. There's 4 circles here. You can take this to isolate the size of circle that you want. In this case, you were wanting this. Okay, so we're going to isolate that, put that in here. It'll only fit one way, so you're going to find the right way. Okay, and now you're going to take this Allen wrench and use that to tighten this in. Okay, so once you get them closed, just give a nice half twist. You don't have to get it iron tight, but get it nice and snug. Now it's time to put clay in here. I always like to use the extruder, the plug mill, because it pumps out this perfect size tube. Okay. Drop this in there, like you're loading a grenade launcher. I like to give leverage by putting my hand behind this and pull.
Yay! Oh.
That's so satisfying.
Yep.
I wasn't expecting it to be so smooth.
There it is.
Wow. That's pretty cool.
The most important part is that you want to clean up after you're done. The way I will clean up is I will reel my slop bucket underneath it.